In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create PowerPoint presentation slides with Perplexity AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a clear idea into a polished slide deck you can download and present. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Perplexity website. This is the tool we'll use to generate the slides. Once the page loads, you'll see a clean interface with a prominent prompt box. That's where all the magic happens. Click directly into the prompt area to activate it. You'll notice the cursor blinking, which means it's ready for your instructions. Think of this box as the place where you describe your presentation in plain language. Now type your prompt. Be specific so the slides match your goal. For example, you might include the topic, audience, number of slides, tone, and any structure you want, like an introduction, key points, examples, and a conclusion. If you already have branding preferences, you can mention a color scheme or style cues. You can also ask for speaker notes if you want help presenting. The clearer your prompt, the better the first draft will be. If you have supporting materials, click Upload Files or Images. This is helpful when you want the slides to reflect an existing document, a report, or an image you plan to discuss. Choose files that are directly relevant and easy to reference. Avoid including confidential material unless you're certain you want it in your deck, and use concise file names so it's clear what each item adds. When you're ready, click Submit. Perplexity will generate your presentation content based on your prompt and any uploads. Give it a moment to process. As the results appear, review the slide titles, key points, and flow. If something needs adjustment, maybe you want fewer slides, a simpler tone, or more data, ask for those refinements right in the same chat. You can request tweaks like adding an agenda slide, expanding a section, or condensing wording for readability. After generating, you can review the generated presentation, and you can also download it as a PPT. Just click on Download and choose PPTX. This will save a PowerPoint file to your computer, ready to open, format further if you like, and present. If your browser asks where to save, pick an easy-to-find folder so you can locate it quickly before your meeting. That's all you need to create PowerPoint presentation slides with Perplexity AI. With a clear prompt and a quick review, you'll have a professional deck ready to go in minutes.